Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss green tea easy guide. Steep tea, gently then strain and enjoy warm or iced. Avoid boiling water which damages catechins. Use fresh leaves or quality bags and drink between meals to support appetite control. Combine with balanced diet and consistent activity for results. Sip slowly and track how your body responds, adjusting strength or additions like lemon or mint to suit your taste and tolerance. In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss green tea easy guide. Measure ingredients precisely and use clean, dry tools to avoid off flavors. Warm your teapot with hot water before brewing to stabilize temperature. Prepare lemon wedges and tiny cayenne pinch so you can adjust taste after steeping. If using matcha, whisk to a froth. For leaf teas, steep and strain. Store leaves airtight to keep potency and flavor for longer. In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss green tea easy guide. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for meal prep. They make sticking to healthy eating so much easier and keep dressings sealed. They pair nicely with a green tea routine when you prep balanced meals ahead. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss green tea easy guide. Start with 1 cup daily and build to up to 3 cups spaced through the day to manage caffeine and digestion. Avoid drinking right before bed to protect sleep quality. Note how your appetite and energy respond and adjust steep time or amount of tea. Pair with proteins and fiber at meals for better hunger control and sustainable fat loss support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.